And viewers, just barely hours after President Vladimir Putin vowed to avenge the damaging drone strikes in a phone call with his US counterpart Donald Trump, Russia has conducted a fresh airstrike on Ukraine. The latest wave of drone strikes in 6 predetermined regions of Ukraine represented one of the largest Russian air raids in the 3-year war. The attack, in fact, is coming just recently, and it has also killed at least 4 lives. Here's more. Take a look.
In a fresh setback to ongoing efforts to bring truce, Russia launched one of its biggest aerial assaults in Ukraine. The latest wave of attacks followed hours after Russian President Vladimir Putin vowed to avenge the massive Ukrainian drone strikes in a phone call with his US counterpart Donald Trump. According to reports, 6 predetermined regions of Ukraine were targeted in the latest wave of attacks. The regions targeted included capital Kyiv, northern city of Cherniv, and western Lutsk.
Тоже злякалась, страх як злякалась. Вышел, вскочила. Ну хорошо, у меня как-то вот было еще с того времени, как началась война, я заклеила скотчем окно. Вот это вот стекло. Так осколки на комнату не попали, а все на балконе было. Вот. Ну а что, потом же давай то корвалол, то валидол.
The Russian missile and drone attacks in Kyiv claimed at least 4 lives, including 3 emergency responders, while leaving more than 20 injured. 4 more civilians were reported injured in Cherniv and another 16 in Lutsk.
Дуже було важко, це був жах. У нас холодильник насквозь, вікон немає по цій стороні взагалі, двері вхідні не зачиняються, скло, всюди скло, прибираємо.
Local authorities said that multi-story buildings, private homes, a kindergarten, and civilian vehicles were damaged in the attacks.
Мене розбудили буквально за пару хвилин до тривоги, і батьки попросили піти в кладовку, в коридор, як укриття. І я чула жужжання, і потім до мене забігає тато, мене накриває рукою і дуже сильний вибух. Я чула все, чесно кажучи, життя просто перед очима пронеслося, я вже думала, що все. І в мене почалася якась панічна атака, чесно кажучи, я на початку війни цим страждала, зараз вже все добре, але зараз знову почалася. І у нас вилетіло з петель одне вікно, і чесно, мені було дуже страшно, тому що приліт був якраз біля мене, ну просто фактично я народилась в рубашці, тому що те, як прилетів шахет, це, я не знаю, просто я шокована, що я жива.
The mayor of Kyiv said multiple rescue operations were underway in the immediate aftermath of the attacks. Multiple explosions were reportedly heard for hours in the capital, Kyiv. Falling debris sparked fires across several districts as air defense systems attempted to intercept the incoming targets.
Today's night is very hard for us because it's attacks by the terrorists, by the Russian Federation. It's very loud outside because we right now is independent parking with a lot of people because we feel a little bit scared because of the because it's very noisy. I think that ends because of the rockets, because of the shahed, which is flying like the bees, and it's very scary because you might die of it. So yeah, we're a little bit shocked because the bomb is detonated near our house, and we was very near.
Emergency workers and police evacuated 5 people and several pets from a damaged 9-story apartment building in Lutsk. This overnight assault was the latest in a series of large-scale Russian attacks targeting regions across Ukraine.
And this is